When you sneeze, it all begins with irritation inside your nose. Tiny particles like dust or pollen trigger sensitive nerve endings in the nasal lining. Instantly, a signal is sent to your brain, activating the sneeze reflex. Your lungs take a deep breath, filling with air as pressure builds inside your chest. In a split second, your muscles contract powerfully, forcing air out at high speed through your nose and mouth. That explosive burst is your body's way of clearing out irritants. And just like that, the pressure is gone, leaving you with a quick moment of relief.